Here in this video I will show you how to set up a parental control on the TotoLink router using TotoLink app on your smartphone. You need to open the app, and when you are logged on the main site you need to click on the application, then go to the parental control, then you need to click plus, and you can set all the details needed to apply a parental control. For example, you can set the exact date, a day of the week, and start and end time when internet connection will be available. Click apply to confirm all the changes. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.